At number 1, we have the Roborock S7 robot vacuum and mop. The Roborock S7 continues to stand out with some of the strongest suction and edge cleaning performance among the robot vacuums we tested. Its split brush roll is particularly effective at detangling hair during vacuuming, so long hair and pet fur did not wrap around the roller in our tests. A major advantage for households with pets or people who shed a lot. The S7 uses Roborock's 3D sensing combined with AI-powered obstacle recognition that can identify more than 300 objects. In testing, it successfully avoided a small USB cord placed in its path. The mopping system delivers excellent results, and the mop pad drying capability is among the best we have seen. You can also view your home through the onboard camera, ask the robot to move around, and even receive photos of your pets. While the advanced smart home features may not appeal to every user, the combination of powerful suction, superior edge cleaning, strong hair management, and reliable navigation makes the S7 a top-tier choice for thorough, low-maintenance floor care. At number 2, we have the iRobot Roomba Plus Robot Vacuum. If you prefer the Roomba app ecosystem, the Roomba Plus performs solidly. Setup was noticeably easier than with older models, and automation felt more straightforward. It uses LiDAR navigation and did an excellent job sweeping along edges and baseboards. Debris pickup was less impressive. It struggled with coffee grounds, but mopping was a clear strength, with 3 saturation settings and a scrubbing option. Downsides include a very loud dust bin emptying process and somewhat awkward water basins. However, the auto wash dock offers weeks of hands-free cleaning. Overall, if you are committed to the Roomba brand, the Roomba Plus is a capable and convenient choice for everyday use.
At number 3, we have the Shark Mop Combo Robot Vacuum. The Shark Mop Combo Robot Vacuum with Never Touch Pro Base impressed us with its simplicity, effective cleaning of everyday messes, and strong value. Setup was straightforward, and connecting to the Shark app was among the easiest experiences we had. Better than the interfaces of the Roborock and iRobot models we tested, and clearer than Dyson's. Helpful audio announcements let you know when the robot starts, returns to the dock, or empties its dustbin. It uses LiDAR navigation and handled tricky obstacles such as a bathroom throw rug very well. Cleaning performance is excellent in both vacuum and mop modes, and the app makes it simple to choose the function you need. The Never Touch Pro Base handles self-emptying and mop maintenance, reducing hands-on work. Overall, this Shark model is an approachable, capable, and well-priced robot vacuum and mop combo that prioritizes ease of use without sacrificing results.
At number 4, we have the Narwhal Flow 2. Its self-cleaning rolling mop and 31,000 PA suction captured every mess, from coffee grounds to chocolate syrup, without a trace. Its standout AI obstacle avoidance navigated around cords and furniture with incredible precision. It cleans as close as possible but doesn't run things over. It even adapts to your home automatically, with quiet modes perfect for pets and babies. With the ability to climb over obstacles and a battery that cleans up to 4,800 square feet, no spot is left untouched. And the practically maintenance-free base station takes care of washing, drying, and upkeep for you. The Narwhal Flow 2 is the impressive premium robot that delivers thorough cleaning with minimal intervention.